Let's go down and put a Vandanam. Open both hands in front of Mother. Hold the pure faith in our heart. Request Mother, Mataji, please come in my heart. Please make my heart pure and please be here in my heart. Mataji, please feel pure love in my heart, the whole world. Mataji, please come in my attention. And enlighten my attention. Mataji, please come in my thoughts. Mataji, please enlighten my spirit. Mataji, with your blessings on pure spirit, all want to do this meditation with pure heart. Please be doer for this meditation. Three great mantras. जय श्री माता जी. Shri Mataji, please take me to thoughtless awareness. Please take me to thoughtless awareness. Please connect me to all pervading power to Virat state and make my wishes pure. Mataji, adore and enjoy within me. Surrender ourselves to your lotus feet. Take a deep breath in and out. Slowly take our attention to Muladhara Chakra. We request Mother Shimataji, please come in my Muladhara. Please clear my Muladhara and enlighten my Muladhara chakra. Shimataji, please come in my Muladhara in the form of Shri Ganesha and help me clear my Muladhara. Left hand towards Mother and right hand on the ground. Put attention on left Muladhara. We take Nirmal Ganesha mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Nirmal Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Mother, by your grace, I'm innocent. Pray to Shri Ganesha. Please be kind and merciful and forgiving, that you manifest within ourselves. Let all these hypocritical things, all this conditioning and all these wrong ideas we have, or all the wrong life we have had, just disappear like thin air. And let the beautiful moonlight of your soothing qualities of innocence be manifested through. Meditate for a few minutes. Now both hands on the lap. Attention on Santi Muladhara. We chant Shri Ganesha Gauri Mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Ganesha Gauri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mataji, please make me innocent. Request Mother, please come in my Santa Muladhara and clear my Santa Muladhara. Please make me innocent. Slowly put right hand towards Mother and left hand on the ground. Let's take attention on right Muladhara. And we say Shri Kartikeya mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Kartikeya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mataji, please make me worthy of you. Mataji, please make me worthy of your attention. Please make me worthy of your love. Please make me worthy of you. Sarva Rakshasa Hantri Mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Sarva Rakshasa Hantri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mother, you are the destroyer of all the evil in me. Please destroy all the negativity within me. Please destroy all the sex enemies within me. Please destroy all the negativity within me. we feel our attention becomes pure and feel thoughtless awareness. We slowly take our attention to Vishuddhi Chakra. We meditate on Vishuddhi Chakra. We listen to Bija Mantra of Vishuddhi.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री विशुद्धि चक्र स्वामिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। हम 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 अम इम ईम ओम ऊम रुम रूम लरुम लरूम ऐम आइम ओम ओम आह त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री राधा कृष्ण साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। अल्लाहु अकबर 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 अल्लाहु अकबर।
Stay in meditative state and listen to Shrimataji's talk.
So when we talk of communications, first of all, the greatest thing is the communication between human beings. And when we have to think of the communication with the human beings, many people think that by aggression you will communicate better, which is not true. I mean, if somebody wants to get something out of someone, say, so you go there and just talk. I have to have, how can you do it, this, that. As it is, it's no. But if you are sweet and start talking sweetly, then 99% will definitely dissolve. So to dissolve people with sweetness, how to do it, that trick one has to learn. How with sweetness you can dissolve people. This is one of his special qualities, that you talk to someone in such a manner, genuinely, in a very sweet manner, and the problem between you and that person will be dissolved. Absolutely. Now there are many tricks. How to talk to someone is one of the biggest things one has to learn. First of all, you must always show that you are less intelligent than another person. Like I'm talking to scientists, I will say, I'm sorry, I don't know any science, No good for scientists. So they feel, oh, very good. If you have to talk to some musician, you must say, I don't know any music. No, I've learned a little bit, but not much. Musician feels very happy. You may call it a pampering of the ego. You may call it. But there's no harm in saying that I am nothing compared to you. So the first trick is complete humility when you talk to another person. It's a sign of greatness. It's a sign of fulfillment. As the trees, when they are laden with fruits, they bend down. So the first of all, if you say, I am no one, I don't understand anything, but I would like to hear. This is first. First quality of communication is to be extremely humble about yourself. The another person should not know who you are. And there's a lot of fun in it. Say, for example, now, I can say about myself that my husband was very highly placed in India. But I met a friend in Delhi. She was studying with me in school and in college. And she asked me, where do you live? So I told her in Meena Bagh, which was just a useless, small little place meant for very ordinary officers, because they had not allotted us any house or anything. So temporarily we were there. She said, what is your husband doing? I said, doing so with some government servant. I didn't tell her. He came down. So he just looked at me, smiled. He said, do you know him? I said, he's my husband. She was shocked. He's your husband? Oh my God. Why didn't you tell me? Immediately the whole thing changed. And she felt so ashamed of herself. She had started looking down upon me there, married to some clerk or someone. So, the best thing is to play down. Play down everything. Now, I know of certain Sahaja, they say, oh, mother has given me such powers, I can do this, I can do that. This boastfulness is of no use. I haven't got any powers, you see. I am a Sahaja, that's all. But if you want, I can try. So, is to play down as much as you can. Practice this at home. First practice and then don't do it. So that is one of the greatest qualities of communication with others. Second thing, I think in the whole of Gita, if you read it, this one very important thing is krodhat pijayati samoha. See, among all the worst things that we have, according to him, we have 6 enemies. But in Gita, he started with krodha. He said, starts with krodha, with anger. If you have anger within you, then you are not a master at all. There's no need for a master to get angry because he can play about. He can make you dance like this. What is the need to lose your temper? But that mastery, if you don't have of handling people, then after 5-6 minutes of talk, your voice starts raising and a sort of something starts barking. Because that temper is still inside you burning. But for a master, there should be no temper. No need. He has started with krodha, that with the krodha all problems stopped. From one to another, to another, to another. So we should watch out if we are angry people. Anger comes from Vishuddhi. Starts from liver, Vishnu, but expressed through Vishuddhi. Face becomes red, eyes become red. From the mouth, you start saying all kinds of horrible things, and the whole expression becomes so different when you are angry. So this anger is to be seen. Where is it? Within us, where is it, this anger? Liver? All right, I'll put it right. So to master it, you have to face yourself clearly. Many people have seen, people say, Mother, this lady is such a hot-tempered woman, she's so dominating. She does this, she does that. But if you tell her, so, no, I don't do that way. No, I'm very good. But how others are saying that? I don't know, but I'm very good. Finished. If somebody is saying that, then you watch yourself. Do you get into tempers or not? Are you losing your temper? It's very easy to make it out. Then face. So the trick of the trade is to face yourself and see for yourself how much you're lacking. So first is humility, which should be genuine. And secondly is equanimity. No temper. There is no need to take to temper. At the most you can say, hey, what are you doing? Why are you doing that way? Now if you do something, maybe something I might say which I do not like, so I don't want to say like that. At the most, up to that point is all right, that you should say that I dislike it. But not to go further with it. If you Just stop at a point. Then this habit of getting into temper will go away. This arrogance will go away. Which has to go. This arrogance has to go, this temper has to go, and then you will be surprised, you will feel very much relieved. Because this anger, once it comes in, reacts and catches your left Vishuddhi, and you become guilty. You feel very bad. Why I said so? I should not have said this. So Vishuddhi is finished. Left Vishuddhi means it's a headache. It goes on accumulating like a storehouse there, all your anger, temper, whatever you have. And this left Vishuddhi catches. And you know the problems of left Vishuddhi. So if you get angry with someone, don't feel guilty. But go before the mirror and slap yourself nicely, twice. Now you get angry with yourself. Let me get angry. Then stand before the mirror. Shoot, like that. In the same manner as you get angry, try to act. So you never feel guilty. Or maybe more angry would be better. So you empty out your left Vishuddhi. Next time you won't do it. But feeling guilty means you'll again repeat the same thing. So this temper is expressed by men differently and women by differently. And I'm very much worried about the women sometimes because they take to water power. Then I'm lost. But those who have ego too much cry much more. That's the sign. I've seen. If you say anything to them, immediately they start crying. Because already the left Vishuddhi is there full, like a full balloon. When you touch them, it becomes water. But men, their temper is different style, as you know very well. That when they get angry, they might fight with each other, box everyone, and then settle down nicely and have something to drink. Let us have it out, you see, they'll say. Take out. But women don't. They keep it there. And once they keep it, then it becomes tears. It starts coming down. So these are just tears out of joy, happiness, that's different. Or out of feelings for others. But it's not that. But it's tears just to impress another person that you are very sad or something.
We say here 108 invocations to Shri Krishna. Shri Mataji has commented that no names can describe him. He cannot be grasped and it is beyond praise. Yet based on Sahaja Yoga Shastra, here are 108 names humbly offered at his lotus feet. Salutation, honor and glory to Shri Bhagavati, Shri Adi Shakti, Shri Mataji, Shri Nirmala Devi, who bears Shri Krishna on her forehead as the crowning jewel of the heavens. We can start. Our worship. By Lord Jesus. primordial being. You are the issue of the universe.
May God bless you. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. May God bless you all.
We say thank you, Shri Mataji, for giving this invaluable knowledge and beautiful state. We surrender today's meditation at your lotus feet. Thank you, Shri Mataji, for giving this joyous state. Let's do collective bandhan and we'll listen to Madhurastakam. Jai Shri Mataji.
बांसुरी मुझे बना दो मैया, धुन तुम्हारी बजती रहे। इच्छा मेरी कुछ ना रहे, मर्जी तुम्हारी चलती रहे। अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरम्। वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरा वाणिर्मधुरा पादौ मधुरा नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं कर्णं मधुरं तरणं मधुरं हरणं मधुरं रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरम् गूंजा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा वीची मधुरा सलिलं मधुरं कमलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं गोपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं मुक्तं मधुरं दुष्टं मधुरं शिष्टं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा यष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा दलितं मधुरं फलितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरम्
Thank you, Urvi. Jai Shri Mataji. Everyone, have a great day. We remember to put bandhan, please, for all the negativity stopping the acquisition of an ashram for South Australia. We still continue our attention, enlightened attention on the war at Ukraine, the domination in Iran, and also we continue, as always, to just bandhan any negativity, stopping the seekers in this world from finding Sahaj and getting their realization. Thank you for your enlightened attentions. Have a great day.